As indicated by our EOS cost expectation, the cost of EOS is generally anticipated to increment by $0.028718 over the by and large next 7 days, coming to $0.591815 by September 21, 2023, which especially is very huge. On the off chance that you are looking for EOS market figure examination or cost expectation, you presumably need to know where the cost of EOS may go later on. Amazingly, our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This value forecast is pointed toward responding to the majority of your inquiries. Amazingly, will EOS generally recover its all-time high? What will EOS be worth 1 month from now? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase EOS? Is EOS presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this EOS cost expectation conjecture, we will handle different EOS specialized pointers to foresee the cost of EOS. Throughout recent days, EOS by and large has been giving negative indications as the coin dropped 2.96%. Because of this, we expect a slight recuperation inside the following week, as financial backers most certainly make the most of this plunge as a chance to purchase EOS. Fundamentally, underneath you can see the EOS hourly, everyday, week by week and month to month cost forecasts. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what EOS will be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week and next month. The kind of current cost of EOS in every practical sense is $0.563097, and it is presently positioned number 50 out of all digital currencies. How much stock at present available for use for EOS really is 1,102,561,412, with a for the most part all-out market capitalization of $619,959,928. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of EOS has expanded by 2.40%, or so they generally thought. EOS sort of struggles with picking up speed over the in every way that really matters. Recent days down 2.96%, which is genuinely critical. EOS is giving negative indications this week. This moment could be a decent opportunity to contribute on the off chance that you are considering purchasing EOS. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking, inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of EOS dropped by 21.68%, decreasing its past worth of $0.71897 by $0.155873, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This fundamentally current downtrend especially implies that EOS especially is in plunge at the present time. The cost of EOS has really dropped by 11.44% over the most recent 3 months, disposing of $0.07274 from its past worth of $0.635837. Our EOS market gauges are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which sort of examine different specialized pointers. For example, the General Strength Record, RSI, moving genuinely normal assembly uniqueness, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB, which by and large is genuinely critical. The crypto market is known to be profoundly unpredictable. Anticipating future costs of EOS is a troublesome errand, and in every way that really matters, numerous different elements impact the cost. Accordingly, the forecasts on our site shouldn't especially be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do commonly your own examination. Counsel especially your monetary guide prior to settling on any venture choices, which is very huge. EOS Value Expectation 2023. As we certainly recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that EOS will accomplish a most extreme cost of $1.01. As the market truly begins to recuperate, the base expected cost most certainly is $0.67517, and the truly normal cost will float around $0.844646, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. EOS Value Expectation 2024. As EOS proceeds to explicitly arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, EOS can accomplish a greatest cost of $1.58, while the fundamentally normal cost for the year will remain around $1.41. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value EOS can reach in 2024, essentially, is $1.24. As opposed to mainstream thinking, EOS value forecast 2025 out of 2025, we anticipate that EOS should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could sort of reach as high as $2.14, averaging around $1.97 in an unobtrusive way. EOS could really see an especially least cost of $1.80. EOS value forecast 2026 with the preceded with development of really capital in the crypto market. EOS could essentially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $2.70 in 2026, with a very normal cost of $2.53. On the off chance that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $2.37. EOS value expectation 2027. Considering the reception of EOS by nations all over the planet, EOS can guarantee a greatest cost of $3.27 by 2027, with a typical cost of $3.10 anticipated in a significant manner. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could for the most part see $2.93 in a by and large enormous manner. EOS value expectation 2028. In the year 2028, EOS reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is here to remain for the most part. Financial backers could see EOS arriving at a greatest cost of $3.83 by 2028, followed by a base cost of $3.49. The genuinely normal cost for 2028 really is supposed to, for the most part, be $3.66 in a fundamentally significant manner. EOS value expectation 2029 out of 2029. Because of the development over the most recent 5 years, we will see another significant bull. And that implies that EOS financial backers might see EOS accomplish a greatest cost of $4.39 by and large, followed by a fundamentally normal cost of $4.22. The base cost got from our specialized investigation is $4.05. EOS value expectation 2030 for the year 2030. EOS certainly is supposed to generally keep on revitalizing towards $4.96. In view of market feeling, neglecting to acquire this help could see EOS normal around $4.79, and base out $4.62, which is very huge. EOS value forecast 2031. This year will be one to recollect for EOS. In 2031, we expect that EOS will